Muriatic acid cleans boat holes, etches and cleans and brightens concrete. Let sit for 5 to 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Wear protective gloves. All that good stuff. Or throw it in your gas tank for 20 minutes and see what happens. That's what we're doing. Alright, I don't know if I like this sitting in the juice, but see if you can catch it. I have seen some smoke rising from here. Not seeing it right now. Can add a little more because it's still leaking out. Oh, did you catch that? A little bit of smoke rising there. Tells me it's doing its job. It's probably eating the paint off the outside. Anywhere it's sitting in the juices. And that's not good. But I'm gonna add some more. I just want this stuff to sit for, I don't know, half an hour. Do its job. This is taking about a gallon, but I don't know how much is staying in there and how much is coming out. Oh no, I got more on the concrete. Guess I'm cleaning my shop floor again. So they say you should rinse it with water after you let it sit on concrete for 5 to 10 minutes. I think I'm full again. Yep, we are full again. So nasty. Gonna get all that crap out of there so I don't run it through my carburetors. Yeah, if I left this sit too long, it'd probably all run out, and then this would be sitting in a full vat of muriatic acid getting eaten from the outside. Guys, don't do what I do. I consider just submerging the entire tank into muriatic acid. And then we'd probably have a completely stripped in and outside tank, which maybe I'll do that someday. I can always repaint the outside. Say this I didn't let sit for very long earlier. Maybe I would be able to clean my shop floor. I mean, that wasn't even on there for a minute. Okay. I'm gonna have to wash my hands too. I'm not seeing a whole lot happening, but it's working. We're gonna sneak up on this and see how it's doing. And then I'm gonna go rinse it out with the hose in the dark. I won't show you that because honestly, I won't be able to see what I'm doing either. But I've been letting this sit longer than I wanted to. It's definitely down in the juice. So I'm gonna dump this out and go rinse it off and we'll check it out. All right, I got her all rinsed up. And actually ran in here because I didn't like the top. This was still rusty, so the way I had it sitting, that top section did not get hit with acid. So after I rinsed everything, washed my hands, got it all ready, I rinsed the outside, make sure I didn't have anything. I don't think it really affected the paint that much. I think that was probably there before. Doesn't look like anything really peeled off. So anyway, I went and laid it upside down like this and filled it with some acid from this hole. And I mean, look, that's so much better. So I've got clean water running out of every hole, sloshed it all around, and put acid in so it lay in the top there, and that cleaned up really, really nice. So we're seeing some good solid metal in there. I'm gonna go, actually, I have it here. I'm going to slosh around some Marvel Mystery Oil. Maybe I can get this coated a good bit. And then I'm going to grab my heat gun and throw some heat through it and hopefully dry it all up. And then I'll slosh some gasoline around in it. And it should be good to go back on the bike. So in conclusion, what am I going to say about muriatic acid and cleaning out a gas tank? Well, I didn't really see any fear of using it. Like, I didn't wear gloves, and I washed my hands. It didn't burn me. No, I wasn't getting it on me, but it did a great job within an hour. Probably I could have let it sit for less time, but it cleaned the bottom of the tank where I had it. Then I rinsed it out, saw it was on the top, flipped it over, let it sit for half an hour, and it cleaned the top of the tank, and the tank's good to go. Put back on the bike. I could be on the road soon. I could be on the road tomorrow. So, you know, I think it's great to use, and I'm going to use it again. I'm actually considering using it on the upper tank, because if you watch the video, I'm not sure if I put it up yet or not as of the filming of this video, I used apple cider vinegar. And it took days. I let it sit for days. I think I filled it again. And probably my fault for letting it sit too long. But I'm starting to get some rust. I don't have a light on me. But, let's see. I'll flip it around. Now look at the rust in my tank already. Surface rust, but you know, I didn't throw gas in there. I did use Marvel Mystery Oil, but it all ran down. And this is what I've got. So I may take this off, treat it with muriatic acid quick, throw it all back together and put gas in it, because I don't know, man. There's some scale down in there. And that's just going to start the problems all over again. So I might just have to redo this tank, but I can put this one back on. I'll toss it back in there and make a day of it. So thanks for watching, guys. If this is the end of the video, like and subscribe. Thanks for making it to the end, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ride safe.